Welcome everyone. This is the latest update to the Chatterley Valley Development site in Newcastle-under-Lyme, fairly close to Stoke-on-Trent as well. The site is owned by the Harworth Group, who purchased the site in 2017. As can be seen by the drone footage, the site will allow 1.2 million square feet of industrial and logistics floor space. It's very close to the M6 and also the A500 roads, and the railway line you can see is part of the West Coast Main Line. And one fantastic thing that would hopefully be in the plans, I'm not sure if it is, to allow for greener transport options, is if the site, due to the size of it, would have some railway sidings to provide the opportunity for any companies if they want to use railway freight in the future. So the site is, as you can see, quite a lot of green space around the location. It's in a bit of a valley, as the word says, Chatterley Valley. It's in a really nice area. Has been now reported elsewhere in the local press. The road that, as you can see, that I'm just showing you now, that goes over the railway line, that is Peacock Hay Road. Part of the development, it was going to require the building of a new roundabout for the site, which I'll point out later. The road has been closed since May and is due to reopen in September. But the news has unfortunately come out that the developer, Peacock Group, which was carrying out construction works, has encountered, unfortunately, some financial problems. So Harworth Group are currently in discussions with the local councils, which has been reported, to find someone else to take over the development of the site. So we're just heading up to now where you can see that mound in the top sort of right hand corner of the video. That's where the new roundabout was going to be getting built. There's quite a lot of building materials around the site. And when I zoom in, you can see that some of it looks like drainage stuff and for sewage as well, which is probably going to go underneath the location of the new roundabout, because there is quite a large hole that has been dug out for some of the building works. So hopefully something could be done soon. It is classed as the local rat run from the A500 to try and take some of the traffic away from Reginald Mitchell Way at the next junction. A lot of people do use it during rush hours, so hopefully something could be done sooner rather than later to help out not only the local residents but also businesses as well. There's a JCB site fairly close to this, so hopefully something could be done to bring the road back into use. The main railway line from Stoke to Manchester. And there's your JCB logistics just in the distance on the opposite side of the railway line. And zoom out, you can see the extent of the site and the amount of works that are going to need to be done. But once they get building, I'm sure it won't take long before we see some magnificent work being done to bring more business to the area and also jobs. In the distance there you can see the lorries that are going past, that's just on the A500. works that we've done to build a roundabout to bring Peacock Hay back into use. So I hope you've enjoyed the review and seeing the progress that had been done before. Unfortunately, work has had to come to a stop. I'm sure Harworth Group and the local councils will do their best to get things working again and get the site back up and working. So hopefully you've liked it, and remember to like and subscribe.